Hello students, the topic of the essay is my birthday. My birthday is on the 12th of June. It is my favorite day of the year. I feel very happy and excited when my birthday comes. On my birthday, I wear new clothes. My friends and family come to our house. We decorate the house with balloons and colorful ribbons. My mother bakes a big cake for me. We play games, sing songs and dance. Everyone claps as I cut the cake. My friends give me lovely gifts. We eat snacks, cake and ice cream together. At night, I thank everyone for coming. I also thank my parents for making my day so special. My birthday is always full of joy and fun. Don't forget to subscribe.